Kinakabahan ako kasi baka mamaya bigla akong kalmutin ni Wolverine. You're so handsome. Eto na nga po mga ka-Web3 crew. Isa na naman po sa ating mga exhibitors ang aking makakausap. I am with Mr.
Christopher Dole.
Oh, Chris, your voice is very deep, like ocean deep. Can you please tell us about your company?
Sure. I'm Christopher Dole. I co-founded Soothsayer Analytics in 2014. We're a team of 120 data scientists, mostly PhD and master's types, building end-to-end AI solutions for a variety of Fortune 1000 and Global 2000 companies. So anything from predicting machine failures to optimizing global supply chains to analyzing massive bodies of text for insights into failure and fraud, computer vision inspection, IoT work, etc.
And here's my question. What can you say about artificial intelligence and what are the benefits of it?
Sure. So most of the time when people talk about doing AI, what they're really doing is business intelligence or providing this view of the past. Sometimes they're using more refined methods or statistics for estimates of the future, but these are largely reliant on the assumption that processes follow a certain family of probabilities and models are fit to that. So essentially working in this pre-built structure of understanding. The fundamental difference between that and what we're talking about with artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning is the use of these non-parametric models, meaning those that evolve automatically from data and that have the ability to self-learn and adapt when presented with new inputs. So deeper patterns, higher accuracy predictions, more optimal outcomes, and often answers to questions you didn't even know to ask.
What are the risks of artificial intelligence?
Innovation in technology has always led to short-term, let's say, unemployment increases, and then ultimately society ends up being better. Now, the difference with artificial intelligence versus things like, the self-learning vehicles or going from, the horse and buggy into vehicles now is that historically technology people have interrupted or disrupted the blue-collar segments of society. Today with AI, we're introducing self-disruptive technology. So we're not only going to be putting out people out of jobs that are doing traditional manual labor type jobs, but even things like with ChatGPT, right? If you no longer need to necessarily know how to code, you can tell it to generate a demand forecast and tell it what you want to get out of that, and it'll generate the code for you. So, a lot of the jobs that were previously being done by tech jobs or tech people are now, at risk even as well.
Thank you so much. And my last question is, what do you think is the future of AI?
So, I think we're going to have to get used to the idea of smart programs written by non-AI experts supplanting those that have perceived domain knowledge. And so, a well-written program like that is the future, unfortunately. So for, many people, that's going to impact their lives, but hopefully for the positive. And, instead of it taking hundreds of years to take innovations, now they're going to spring up in days or weeks as opposed to a long time. So it's hard to guess. If anybody tells you they really know, they're just making it up. But I think there's a lot of interesting things ahead, and I guess we'll see. Hi, so our website is www.SoothsayerAnalytics.com, SoothsayerAnalytics, SoothsayerAnalytics.com, or you can find me on LinkedIn, Christopher Dole.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Christopher Dole. Ay, ang hirap. Dito lang yan sa FOMO. Marami pang chikahan. The future of money.